What's up, everybody? George from Pack Hype Collective. Gonna make a short video today showing you guys how to take some quality photos for your cards on eBay. I see a lot of photos on eBay. People don't really take the time to take photos the right way. If you do it the right way, it'll increase your sales. We sell a lot of singles on eBay, so hopefully we can help some of you guys out that aren't really doing it the right way. If you have any input on what we're doing, I might not be doing it the right way to you guys, but the way we do it seems to work. But we'll take any feedback that you give us, so make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below about it. Let's get into the video. So today we're going to be taking pictures of this Mars Shadow, putting it up on eBay. I love this Mars Shadow, man. Badass card. Just putting it in the photo box with a little plastic stand. You can get them on Amazon. Buy like 20 of them for really cheap. I think they come in groups of 20. I'm not really sure, but the photo box I have does not have enough light for me, so I have a soft light on a tripod to the right. You can't really see it in the picture, but it adds some more light to the photos. And then for these two photos that I'm gonna take in here inside the photo box, I take a little flashlight and I blast the card with light. It brings out the hollow effects on the card. It's just for the cover photo, really, in the listing on eBay. I take more photos with a ring light that are more like actual, real photos. This is just to spice it up, make it look really good. But so yeah, take pictures of the front and the back. I had that little gorilla tripod. It's kind of tricky getting the card to be square, but after a while you get it down. I'm trying to make that picture as square as possible. My settings in my phone they're on 4:3 now. They used to be on 1:1 ratio, but for some reason it seems to work out better for me. Let me know in the comments below. But so yeah, then we slide over here to the ring light, 19-inch ring light from Best Buy, and that construction paper underneath the card is from Hobby Lobby. It's like this heavy duty thick construction paper, and it's gray, and gray seems to be the best for me with lighting. But yeah, so I just zooming in on it, and that paper, that construction paper in the background helps me be able to slide the card around when I'm gonna flip it over and take pictures of all four corners. So we'll take a picture of the front and back here, and then take the penny sleeve and flip the card over. You don't want to try to grab the card and pick it up off that paper. You'll screw it up and put whitening add whitening to the card. So yeah, you just flip it over. Take one more photo of the back. So that'll be 4 pictures total so far. And then once you do that, you're just gonna slide that construction paper to the right to get a picture of the corners. Bring it in a little bit, zoom it in. And then, yeah, I've never had any issues with anybody saying anything. If you're gonna post these cards and list them as near mint, you wanna show that they're near mint and take all these photos. Nobody ever asks anything. Big money cards, they might ask for some more pictures zoomed in, but yeah, taking 4 pictures zoomed in of all 4 corners of the back. And yeah, 100% feedback on eBay. Never had any issues. There was something that I thought was on the card, so I wiped it down real quick. But yeah, we just take those 4 pictures of the card and then put it back in the penny sleeve, and that's really it. Then once I go into my phone after I've taken my pictures, I go ahead and I hit that on the iPhone, the little pencil that basically adjusts the photo and gives the photo a better look and makes the picture brighter and whatnot. So yeah, we do that to all the photos, and then that's a decent amount of photos. Nobody ever says anything. We really sell a lot of singles with this way of taking pictures. So if you guys are selling singles and taking photos, let me know what you think in the comments. If there's anything that I missed or anything that I could do better, I'm willing to listen to what anybody has to say. I don't think I'm like a pro or anything. We've sold a lot of cards on here and never really had any issues. But if you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video. Let me know what you guys want to see. But yeah, that's basically it. So hey, It's George from Pack Hide Collective. We appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll be making more videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.